In this video, we are coding bubble sort. Bubble sort is one of the simplest sorting algorithm. Is it something for beginners to start, learn and implement? Before that, if you are new to my channel, thanks for watching. I am Ankita. I have started posting Java tutorials weekly on this channel. Here is a simple illustration of bubble sort which I found on Wikipedia. Bubble sort compares each number with number after it. If these two adjacent elements are in wrong order, then elements are swapped. This swapping process is repeated until the list is sorted. In other words, if there is no swapping while traversing a list, your list is already sorted. I am saying this because in a code, we need to maintain swapping flag to avoid unnecessary iterations. So in a code, we need first a loop for traversing a list. Second, we need a swapping flag. Going ahead, why we call this as a bubble sort? Because in each pass through the list, the largest element bubbles up to its correct position. In first pass, largest element in the list is its final position. After second pass, second largest element is in its final position, so on. For bubble sort. This is bubble sort method accepting input as a number array which is unsorted. As we discussed earlier, we need to have one loop for traverse this array from 0 to n-1. Inside the loop, we have a condition for checking two adjacent numbers are in order or not. If they are not in order, we need to implement swapping. This is a classic solution for swapping two numbers using third temporary variable. Once we swapped, we need to set swapped is equal to true. So we will run this program. Here only last element is sorted, not entire list is sorted. That means we just executed one pass. We need to execute same thing for entire list. That we need to add one loop. That's what I added. I've added for loop. Let's run once again. Yes, the list is sorted now. If you see, inner loop traverse a list from 0 to n-1, which is not needed because in bubble sort, in every pass, one element of list gets its final sorted position. Like in first pass, largest element gets its final position in the list. Hence, in subsequent passes, there is no need to compare this last element. In our case, since loop is moving from 0 to n-1, it does unnecessary comparison and iteration. Hence, I am adding upper loop index to limit inner loop counter. Let's run this program now. Okay, now let's look at the list from where it comes. It is generated by using random class. Currently the size of list is 10, which we can increase, and now we will increase the size of array. Make it 10 to 100. Run. Okay, it took 0 milliseconds. Let's make it 1000. Great, it takes 8 milliseconds. Now let's make it 10,000. Try and increase size of array and try the bubble sort. So do let me know in the comment section how much time it requires to complete sorting of 10,000 elements. And keep watching the series